In this function, we are going to learn about how to utilize help functionality in MySQL command line. All right. So what is going to be the problem is whenever you try to access SQL and you do not know all the commands which are there, or you are not sure of a specific command, you need some more help on the command, then this will be a very useful function for you to have, because it is going to give you instant help as well as the syntax of using the specific command. So it is a very useful tool. How to use help? So to use help in SQL command line, you need to just use this question mark, and then whatever be the type of help you want to have. Okay, if you are not going to enter anything and just pressing question mark, then all the help will be shown in front of you, or all the possibilities that will be shown in front of you. But if you want to find out help on some more specific topics, let's say databases. So what you have to do is just you have to write question mark and databases. As soon as you are going to write it, so you can see the help around database is being shown. So this is the help which has opened up for database, and for database you have three different functions. One is show, then show databases, and show schemas. Show databases is already we have seen, which actually shows all the databases available with you, right? So you have to close it with colon, and you can see these are the all databases which are present. Now similarly, if you want to have some help on tables, so you just need to write tables, and these are the different functions which are available for table: lock table, show open table, show tables, right? Show table is something you have already utilized. All right. Similarly, if you want to have some help on select function, you just need to write select, and lot of detailing around that particular functionality is going to be shown. So this is the select functionality, and select, and this is the select function, and with select you can use all these parameters which are listed down here. Now these are the parameter which you can mention. So select star, we have used select star from table, and that is something we have already utilized. So it is saying that select, and then all, and then from table, and whatever be the things to be followed, that has been shown here. All right. So this is how you can use help functionality to your help, right? Now if you want to search for some specific function or some specific command, like show select or show databases, just a specific command. So if you want to have more help on show databases, so just you need to enter that. As soon as you enter the complete command, so the help is specific to show basis will be shown. If you are just using show, then all the possible commands which are starting with show, they will be shown to you. Like here you can see these are the different commands: show belong events, show character set, show, and show create event, and so on. So these are all commands which are starting with show. But if you want to have something specific like show databases, so you just need to enter that. So all the syntax of it will be shown to you. All right. So hope this will help you to understand more on SQL commands. All right. And then in the next discussion, we will be moving forward with some more advanced command using Python and SQL. Thank you.